What's up? We are headed out today to celebrate Miggy's birthday. Yay!
Sabay club siya eh.
Ayun. Yeah. Yeah. Daming mga kasama. Yay! Trying to set up. Oh. This is our campsite for tonight. Yan. Go na. We're done setting up. We're at Narrows right now. Narrows, Manitoba. The other side of Lake Winnipeg. Or sorry, Lake Manitoba. Tama ba? Yeah. Oo nga, Lake Manitoba pala.
Kasi yung single doon, talagang maliit lang eh.
Let's eat!
Makipot lang yun eh.
So, ayan, aming setup. One is in the car. Yun ang aming tent. Great. Tapos, second tent, third tent, and then, yeah, this one. Ito ang kanilang bahay-bahayan, kinabit sa likod ng sasakyan. Yan. This is our campsite. Yan. Day 1, fishing time. Yee. Oh, hi, hello. Hello, ayun. Yeah.
Huli bigan?
Ha?
Huli?
Nang? Wala. Kuya Jo, hapon na, Kuya Jo. Tsaka nasa Hekla sila ngayon. Madala sila sa Hekla. Yan. Oh, fishing time, day 1. See you later. Okay.
Guys!
Narrows. Ayan, Jeffrey, Kuya Jojo. Yeah. Document natin to. First timer. We are in the wonderful place of Narrows in Manitoba. Yeah, after a few years ngayon lang kami ulit bumalik dito. Well, fishing wise, hopefully. Bumisita ba tayo? De, bandaro tayo, Kuya Jo.
May kayo pa mainit na gulay sa ila.
Okay, best spot in the area. Tignan natin kung meron. Yun, huli. Yun. Easy.
Sabi ko na, kanina ka pa habol.
First fish na kami.
Sabi ko na eh. Tsaka
Oh.
bait. Ayaw mo?
Oh.
Okay.
First fish, kuya. Oh.
Chatterbait.
Alright. Walang niya mo. Oh, set up na kami agad. Ang bibilis, oh. Naka-set up na agad. Yun, huli na. Putragis ka. Yun, huli. Si Kuya Jojo. Sayang. Palit. Oh, meron. Kala mo, ikaw lang, ha? All one. Oh, I got that on tape, boys. I got that on tape. Woohoo! Like, it's a pike, boy. Ow! Yee! Oops. Pike. Ah. Ay! Oh, yun. Oh, bye-bye. Yun, oh. Yo. Oo, to. Meron. Pero parang alam ko na to. Ay, walleye. Isa, walleye. I caught one. 1-0. Oh, I think this is a hybrid. It's a sogay.
Tignan natin ko 18.
Is it?
We are at, yeah, we're at inches. 16.
16 pa rin?
17. That's actually sad.
What? Hindi nga!
17.
Oh, come on!
That's so sad. Oh, tinan mo. Oh. You see it for yourself.
Ay, 16 lang.
Huwag mo ibalik.
Oh, hindi uwi natin to.
Uwi mo yan.
Got that on tape. Sorry, I just changed my batteries, guys. 2 oras na kami pala rito. Hindi ko alam.
Ano, ayaw na pahabol?
Pagod na ako eh. Mamaya na uli. Pahinga. Pucha, sayang. Pinatay ko yung camera ko. Tanga. Ah. Lamisi.
Hawakan mo. Ang sakit.
Okay.
Wag, baka tumalon yan doon. Tago na yan.
Okay.
Wala
Oh.
naman tayo sa white shell.
Good size walleye. So, yeah. Now, aray ko.
Kita mo yung kinagat talaga sa kapal talaga yung silang mali.
Uy. Tarigis ka. Gago.
Ay, sumawa.
Okay. It's an update. 4 for me. 2. Pero it's a good day. They like natural colors or white. We're good. Yung 2 kasama namin doon, ewan ko lang. I'm not that sure, but it's a good day. May nakikipaglaro. Okay. That's what we caught. Ayan na, nasintensyahan na. Ayun na siya. Napakinabangan na. Hey. See that? Good job. Come on. Where are you? Oh, Sar Peeps. Yeah. Oh, say hi. This is day 1.
Yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Blow the
Morning. Day 2. Yeah, good morning. We're at the Narrows. So we always go here. Well, for fishing, but actually second time doing camping here. Happy Canada Day. Breakfast time. Brunch pala. Brunch time. Day two.
Ito yung puti, pero yung pula, malasa.
Oo, yun. Oh. Say hi, say hi, say hi.
Hi.
Hi!
Dito. Day 2, fishing time. Kargado na naman kami. Hopefully kaya mag-uwi ng isda. So, yun. Let's see if this day will be okay for us. Hopefully. See you later. Okay. Spot number 1. Nandun sila kay Jojo. Nandun si Jeffrey. Andito kami sa kabila. Yeah, let's see. Just using this one. I changed the line last night kasi bumigay yung cigar ko. Oh, hopefully something bites. Let's go, boys. Try. 12-pound test, baby. Huli ka. 1-0. Ah? 1-0. 1-0. I got that, boys. On tape. Amoy pike na naman tayo, Ki.
Unahin yan. Hapon mo nang bigla.
Oh, yun. Okay. Bye-bye. Hindi, wakan ko pa rin.
Wag.
Okay. 1-0. Isa-showcase natin, eh. Ano ko ba? Ay, wala na. Oh, bye-bye. Thank you for biting. First fish. Yeah, palanguyin mo lang. Wag mong anuhin, wag mong i-jig. Palanguyin mo siya. Gawan?
Yep.
Oh, kita mo? Sabi ko sa'yo.
Sinasama eh. Wala ito.
Walleye yan. Oh, may una na yata tayo walleye.
Bye.
Oh, pike. One. All one.
Paligaway, paparty na lang tayo dito.
Oh, pang ano, dali.
Ay. What pang ano? Wala akong flies.
Kuya, got the fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isa pa.
Ha?
Isa pa. Ano ka doon?
Sige, hila. Hiya mo, palaruin mo lang. Oh, shoot. Sige.
Holy.
Hiya mo lang, pagurin mo lang.
Oh, tingnan mo. Look how the way he ate it.
Kaya nga. O ano, ako hawak sa rad, ikaw ano. Sasaktan to.
Papush.
Yeah, I'm trying to do it, yeah.
Ayun na, wala na.
Hey, come on.
Picture. Ang laki nito.
Alright.
Okay.
Teka.
Okay.
So si Maki.
Okay, he killed himself, Dad.
Nahilo lang yan.
Ayokong ano.
Hindi, iikot mo lang siya. Ikot mo. Tapos hawakan mo yung ano. Hawakan mo yung buntot kung maabot mo. Ayun oh. Okay pa eh. Oh. Nahilo lang yan. Oh, ayun oh.
You're fine, buddy. Go away.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Bye.
Okay. Yeah. He's gaining consciousness na. Madadampot mo pa ba? Dakotin mo nga. Dakotin mo yung ulo.
I don't want to. Okay na yan siya. He's fine. He'll be fine. Yan oh. He's fine. Can you go? Go.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for playing with us. Uy. Ay, sa big one. You know, laki oh.
Fight again.
Oh, all two. Ay, hindi. Liit lang. Paapat na namin to.
5.
Papanlima na pala. Pike nga lang. wala pang kumakagat na ano eh. Woohoo! Sige, talong ka lang. Go, run. Run, Forrest, run.
Lalakas nila dito.
Yeah, yeah. Maki, picture. Sir, thank you for playing. Yan na po.
Gano'n kabigat to?
Bye-bye. Thank you for playing with us. Try mo yung may kulay na iba. Yeah. Try mo yung may kulay na iba. It's a big one. I don't know.
Tingnan natin. Ganda, pike yan.
Maliit. Sa pa. O ano na? All na tayo.
Yeah, 3 all. Sarap ng pili. Sa ano? Sa Flora.
Sorry. Oh, tama na. Okay ka lang naman eh. Bye-bye. Yeah, I know. Thank you for playing with us. Alright, update. 4, 3. But he lost his spinner base. Ewan ko kung manghihiram sa akin ng gamit. But yeah. Already good day of fishing. We're like less than an hour here. No. Oh yeah, less than an hour. So nakakapitong isda na kaming dalawa. Although it's all pike, but still, good fishing. Later. Alright. Break muna. Gonna come back later. Because we need to leave it. And everything. So, stay tuned. Okay, sa buhok. Yeah, this is our afternoon merienda. Okay. Afternoon merienda. O, aming mga cook. Talagang pinaganohan nila. Okay. Kain-kain. Yahoo! Yahoo! Woo! Ayan. Aming mga cook. The best cook. Merienda tayo.
Ayap.
Tuloy mo na ba? Emily, abalin mo.
Park. Let's go. Jeffrey, ready na? Aking baby boy. Game na ulit. We're still... Yeah. Saan? Ah, yun. Okay. Nito-ulit kami sa aming spot. With Jojo. Jeffrey. Malakas ang current. Wala. Mahirapan tayo rito. Yeah. Hey. 1. 5-3. Huli. Ano kaya to? Maki! Maki, I need help! Malaki to! Yun o, hinihila ako. Pike. Pike pa rin. Tanga, 20 pound test yan. Di mo mapuputol yan, sir. Wala mali. Okay. So, yeah. Pogi, diba Pogi? Oh, thank you for biting. Thank you for playing with us. Bye-bye. Update. Already got, well, I actually had, I caught 2 already. But both of them are northern pikes. Yeah. And I had 1 that got away. So, yeah. That's the update right now. Yung mga yon wala pa. Don't have any catch yet. So, still, hopefully, we can land something good. Or at least, something na pwede pa uwi. So, stay tuned, guys. Rock bass, boy! You saw how he grabbed it? Oh, rock bass, boys. Nakita mo ba yung kung paano niya kinagat? You see it? He jumped. He jumped. Okay. Bye-bye na po. Thank you for biting. Holy! Ho! 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 Ay, laki.
Uy!
What? Maki, ito yata yung tinamaan mo sa mata.
No, dad, hindi din.
Oh?
No, yeah, hindi din. Tingnan natin. Baka mamaray kong kwento.
Yeah. Holy, anong gina... Boss, anong ginawa mo, boss? Anong nga mo? Paano kain ang ginawa mo rito, Brad? Yan, okay. Sorry, ah. But you're the one who brought this to yourself.
Yan, kaya wala ka ng mata.
Mm.
Because you are bobo.
Ayan, oh. Okay, sorry boy, but although we're going to release you, sorry. Bye-bye. Yeah, thanks for playing. Sorry, they're eating right now. Pagka puro pickerel na nahuli na dyan, lipat ako dyan. Dito naman tayo mang walang hiya. Nga, testing nga natin kung may kakagat ng habol. Oh, uy! I got a bite. I just got a bite. Ayos, good job. Tinapon mo yung purse, Jet? Oh. I don't know. I don't know. Huli. Wala ito. Uy! Ay, rock! Basagin! Uy! Malaki! Malaki to! Holy! Maki, panukat, Maki. Rock bass.
9. Pala niya PB.
Aray ko. Okay, rock bass, boys. Again, good day of fishing. Nakailan ako, okay? 9? 10, oh. 10 fish all together. Good day of fishing again. Yeah. Day 2. Alright.
Although the past 2 days, the experience was awesome until this happened. Thank God it was not that serious. We later found out that it was a stomach flu that hit one of us.
Oh, ha? Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Good morning.
Morning.
Yan. Breakfast again. Day 2. Pero uwian na. Walang ano yan ha? Walang deflate yan. Wala. Breakfast. Fried lice. We are eating fried lice.